In this video, I'm going to be sharing a MelodySusie Gel Carousel. It is a gel polish bottle holder and holder organizer. It's a new product for MelodySusie, and I feel it's going to be a must-have for all you nail techs or you nail enthusiasts to have on your desk when you're doing your nails. It is going to organize your space so effectively. So if you're interested in seeing what's in the box and what it entails, then just keep watching. As you all know, I am a big supporter of MelodySusie. I use so many of their products. Their e-file is my go-to e-file. They have a beautiful desk light that I am going to show you at the end when you see the carousel setup, and their dust collector. It's the only one I use. I love their brushes, just everything about MelodySusie. They have really great products. So we're going to look at this today, and I know it's going to be something that's going to be a staple on my desk because I'm not very organized when I work. Once I clean everything up, everything's great. But while I'm working, I tend to be messy. This is kind of what my desk looks like. It is a mess, and this is going to help me with that a lot. And I'm going to look more professional, even though my clients know that's how I work. I like to be organized too, and this is going to help with that. So let's take a look. And there it is. So let's pull it out. I am just going to pull everything out and move the box aside. So that's everything in the box. Now I will show you the base. So this is vertical storage for your brushes. It's great for nail clippers. It's going to be great for files. It's going to also work for dust brushes, tweezers, and even your e-file pen. And they are all going to go more in here. So the top part is for all those items. And I just want to tell you before I show you more about this, this has a non-slip surface. So once it's sitting there, it's not moving. It's very, very sturdy. It's not cheap in any way. MelodySusie always makes really great products, and they never disappoint. And this one is very strong. So I'm loving it already because it's not going to move around when I'm working and needing things out of it. So what this is for, like I said, is all those items can be placed in here. And this is where this is really going to help me. So when I'm working with a client, I can put the brushes I need for that service, the cuticle nippers, the dust brush, my little light, my UV light. And it's just really going to keep everything here instead of all over my desk. And the next part I think is so neat. This is really a great idea because I struggle with tipping over my polishes. My clients know what I'm talking about. I will be working and they're tipping over. Well, this is going to prevent that, and I will show you how. So with this carousel, this has these little arms, I guess you could call them, and there's 3 of them. So you pull them down, and the neat thing, so this turns, but we're not done yet. It comes with these 3 little trays. So these little trays, I'm going to put it right in the center so you can see good. It's like a silicone, so they're bendable in here. So you just place them inside here and just push them down just like that. And there's the other one, and it has 3, of course. So these, you can put any size bottles of gel polish in, even your primers. I found that I had certain primers, if I had them on my desk, I would tip them and spill the whole bottle. Well, you could put those in here as well, or the MelodySusie polishes. They have beautiful gel polishes, HEMA-free ones, TPO, 21 free formula polishes. So look at those too if you're checking out this because they're really good polishes. I highly recommend them. But anyways, so we're looking at this, and the neat thing is it's rotating, right? So I'm going to put their polishes. I've got a cat eye polish here from MelodySusie. I've also got another one. These are their plant-based polishes. can go here, and then they also have these beautiful polishes. Now the nice thing is, if I'm working with a client and I need different colors, well, they're all on here, so I just have to rotate it to get to the next one. It's not a big mess on my desk. And say I'm needing to do some nail art, I will put the brushes in there. I'm just going to move my camera a little different here and I'll show you. Okay, so I moved it so you could see it a little better. So if I was using those brushes, I wanted my little fan brush from MelodySusie. I wanted my dust brush in there for my client, my cuticle nippers, and I have a little light I can put in there. So I kind of got, and a few more brushes that I'll need. As you can see, I've got everything I need right there, and I've got all of the polishes I need, which is so nice as well. And I'm ready to go on a client. I'm not going to be spilling these polishes. I'm going to change my camera again here so you can see it better. So for example, right, I'm going to open this one up. This is so sturdy, it's just not falling over in any way. So it's tipped, and then I can access the polish. I'm not going to be knocking it over while I'm working, and it's just one of those things I seem to do a lot. So I'm really happy that MelodySusie came out with this gel carousel and brush holder because I think it's pretty neat. And also it comes in two other colors, the purple, which you see on the screen now, and also the brown. So you can have pink, purple, or brown, which is great. When you're done using it, this is nice as well. You can keep brushes in here all the time if you like, but you can do this with it. You can just get these out of the way if you're going to clean your desk, which is really nice. So they just go up, and you just click them into place. It's just a nice carousel because of the fact that you can put it up and clean it itself and clean around it and move it easily, and again, very sturdy. So I will show you where I will place it on my desk when using it so you can see better, and then you'll see my light I was talking about that I use for MelodySusie. So here's my desk. That's where my client sits. This is where I place the carousel with everything I need for each appointment. So I could change it out, of course, for whatever the clients are wanting on their nails color-wise, and the brushes I'm going to need. And it just works so nice because of the fact that I can go around and use the polishes as I need them. So it's really the perfect carousel. So if you're like me and not really organized while you're working, this is going to be a godsend for you. So definitely check out the link in the description of this video. And I do have a 12% off code. It'll be down there as well, so you can find it easily. And I also want to show you, I'm just going to move the carousel over here, but here is the MelodySusie desk light I was talking about. This thing is so wonderful. It has different modes on it for light, and it has a spotlight, as you can see there, which is really nice. And I just wanted to show you that because I've been using it for a while and I love it. It's going to be nice to have both the carousel and the light. I love how organized everything will be now. So I want to thank MelodySusie for sending me the carousel to share with you and sponsoring this video. If you liked the video, could you give me a thumbs up? Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.